Hello everyone, my name is Cutter and I am the co-founder of Lone Star Green CBD. I appreciate you stopping by today to check out some information as well as some instruction on how to properly use our CBD bath bombs. If you haven't used a bath bomb before, it's pretty easy. Once you have your water in your bathtub, the appropriate temperature that you want it, you can just unwrap the bath bomb and drop it in, let it completely fizzle out, and it will pretty much cloud the entire water with the bath bomb product. This is actually our 50 milligram bath bomb I call it meshed. So it has flour that is meshed into it to give it a little bit more of a natural sense. The reason that I had used one of these in the past was because I had days that I was stressing out like crazy, or I had bad back pain. Back a couple of years ago, I got into a wreck and it's messed up my sciatic nerve a little bit. And so I use these occasionally whenever it flares up to kind of ease it down. And it works, if not better than Epsom salts. So if you're looking to take a nice relaxing bath or treat anxiety or pain, you can head down to the store below in the description, and I will have a link posted just for this bath bomb as well as the rest of our website, so you can check out our other products. If you're wanting 10% off your first order, you can use the code MYFIRSTORDER at checkout. My name is Cutter. I am the co-founder of Lone Star Green CBD, and I hope you have a fantastic day.